This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what the app needs: a trained model file and a minimal predict wrapper that returns JSON-friendly types. Once done, make a virtual environment and install Flask plus your ML libs so versions stay consistent. Also prepare a small config for model path and logging. You do this now because an isolated env prevents dependency conflicts, and an explicit predict interface keeps request handling simple and testable before you write any route code. You now implement the Flask app. Load the model at startup so subsequent requests reuse it. This reduces latency and memory churn. Define a /ping route for quick health checks and a /predict post route that parses input JSON, validates required features, and passes a NumPy array or data frame in the exact feature order the model expects. Make sure to return clear error codes for malformed input. This helps clients and makes debugging far easier during integration testing. You finish by containerizing or running Unicorn with multiple workers and an appropriate timeout. This gives resilience and concurrency. Once deployed, wire environment variables for configuration and use structured JSON logs so you can trace requests and predictions. Make sure to add a simple health check for orchestration. If things go wrong, first inspect logs for stack traces, confirm the input schema matches training features, and verify the model file is compatible. This sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.